This is the Yoda 3D printed lightsaber. This kit was a little more difficult to work on because there was no actual prop used in the prequels. All the saber shots were rendered, computer generated. There is a picture of a physical prop that was built, and it's in the Star Wars Chronicles that I used as reference. But it's the only one that I could find. Others were fan made, and all the details varied so much that I decided to go with the Chronicles as far as the overall appearance, and then I took it upon myself basically to do the weathering that I wanted. And I went with some pretty heavy duty weathering because I felt that a Jedi Master who had been training Jedi for 800 years, his lightsaber would have seen a lot of action and would be pretty beat up. So this is what mine looks like. And also what I did is I actually found pictures of real number two Bolsey two-cell flash guns that this is based on. And I decided to add the hardware that came on the actual flash gun. And now it's not the correct hardware, but it looks the part. Overall, I really like the appearance. This one did take a little more cleanup, just like the Luke Return of the Jedi saber. But all it takes is a little bit of sandpaper and some patience, and you get there. This was another great, just really fun build to work on. Everything goes together like it should. It's very few pieces. And I have fun painting and detailing them.